Pwede rin ka na lang kung binunggong mo yun, no? Siya na lang na plain tanan ba? Plain na lang tanan. 6 piece. Yung piece na siya. Pero papasak. 6 piece. 6 piece man so. Usa man ususumian ko ni? Korea. Korea. Pero ari siya. So, Korea ito no. Ikko kudasai. Hai. あれ今のおすすめはですか。あ、これですか。あ、じゃあこれ一個ずつお願いします。これがおすすめだ。Let's do that. Today's video guys, mag-try tayo ng donuts. Yes, donuts na nabili namin doon sa Shinjuku nang pinuntahan namin sa sister ko. Nang nag-sister bonding kaming dalawa doon sa Shinjuku. So, nabili namin tong donuts nito. Malapit lang to sa yung Godzilla niya, yung trending na Godzilla dyan. Nandun lang sa tapat. Kaya nakita ko siya, sabi ko, oops, mag-try ako niyan dahil matagal na talaga ako hindi nakatry niyan. Hindi ko na ma-remember ang last time na kumain ako ng donuts na to. And, gusto-gusto to ni Sutakong, okay? So, yes, kaya, sabi ko sa kanya, bili tayo. Yes, then bumili kami doon. Then, ito na nga, may ososumi sila. So, yes, very, happy ako dahil may bago sila. May parang limited edition sila for the spring only na donuts. So, yes, I hope na mag-watch ka until the end para malaman mo to anong donuts na to, anong name to, anong store to na nandun lang sa Shinjuku para makabili ka, makatry ka sa mga limited nila ngayon or the spring donuts nila na ngayon na ososumi recommendation na pinalabas nila ngayon. So, I hope mag-watch ka until the end, okay? So, para malaman mo. Yes, and yes, tayo na sa video, hindi natin patagalin to, and yes, itry na natin to, and yes, kainin natin, and we will give my personal review and rank sa limited, ang dalawang limited na to for spring season na donuts dito sa Japan. So, let's go to the video. Ito yung mga name nila, okay? So, it is...
The Broly Glazed Apple is exactly what makes Krispy Kreme Japan special. It takes a globally recognizable base, the original glazed, and transforms it into something that feels entirely Japanese, restrained, seasonal, crafted with quality local ingredients, and finished with theatrical flair at the counter. The three-texture experience, crispy caramel shell gives fluffy dough gives, silky apple butter filling, is genuinely impressive for a chain donut at this price point. The only reason it doesn't hit a perfect 10 is its limited seasonal availability. If you see it on the menu, don't hesitate. Grab it while you can. The Broly Glazed Custard is not just a great donut. It's the reason Krispy Kreme Japan is held in higher regard than its American counterpart, ranking number 2 in the entire chain sales since its 2016 debut Newsweek. This is a genuine modern classic. The torch caramel shell, the vanilla custard filling, and the pillowy dough hit all three of the senses: sound, texture, and taste in a way that feels effortlessly luxurious for the price. It narrowly misses a perfect score only because the custard filling, while delicious, can lean a touch sweet for those who prefer very austere desserts. For everyone else, this is a near-perfect Japanese donut and an absolute must-order every single time you visit. The flour custard is not trying to be the most exciting or complex donut on the menu, and that's entirely the point. It's designed to spread a spring landscape the moment you open the box Newsweek, and it succeeds beautifully at that. The combination of custard glaze and orange chocolate flour and a matcha stem is simple, elegant, and visually lovely in a way that feels very Japanese. The taste is gentle and pleasant, if not particularly memorable on its own. Where it truly earns its place is in the experience. As a seasonal treat tied to the brief, precious feeling of Japanese spring, it punches well above its modest price. Grab it while cherry blossoms last, because like them, it won't be around for long. The Kondo Strawberry Milk is the most technically interesting donut in this series of reviews. Krispy Kreme Japan isn't just changing up the filling or coating here, they're changing the dough itself, using arguably the most quintessentially Japanese ingredient of all, Japanese rice. Yahoo! Pairing that distinctive fluffy chewy base with premium Tochiaika strawberries and a milky vanilla. Cream is a combination that feels genuinely inspired rather than formulaic. It loses half a point only because at 378 yuan, it sits at the higher end of the lineup. And the creams, while delicious, don't offer the dramatic textural contrast of the Broly Glaze series. But as a seasonal spring treat that showcases the best of Japanese ingredient culture wrapped in a portable, accessible format, this is one of Krispy Kreme Japan's most exciting offerings of the year. Don't sleep on it before early April. The spring lemonade is not the most complex or innovative donut in Krispy Kreme. Japan's 2026 spring collection. That crown belongs to the Kondo, strawberry milk, but it may be the most immediately enjoyable and universally accessible. The lemonade flavor gently spreads with each bite, and the sweet tart balance keeps the aftertaste clean and bright business. Wired in a way that makes you want to reach for another. The vibrant yellow color and real lemon peel topping make it one of the most photogenic seasonal offerings of the year. It loses points only for playing it relatively safe. The yeast dough base is the same. Reliable foundation Krispy Kreme has always used. And those seeking textual adventure, or more uniquely Japanese, ingredient story will find more to discover in the Kondo or Broly Glaze lines. But as a cheerful, citrusy, crowd-pleasing spring treat, the spring lemonade earns its place in the lineup with ease. Grab it before the cherry blossoms fade.
はい、ソタくんもカレー、ね、ソタくんが2個だよ。ソタの。千葉のお姉さんからね。はい、いいよ。じゃあ、開けてみな。wow! The original, this is the...
これは大丈夫？
Yes, this is the original...
これは大丈夫だ。
大丈夫だよ。Original glaze.
あ、よく同じだ。
Glaze と。そう、original glaze とな。
これ。
OK?
同じだ。
クリスピークリーム。
これと同じだ。
そう、同じ。だから2個でしょ？ソタが大好きだから。はい、じゃあ、いただきます。First time のソタ君、初めてね。はい、このドーナツは、このドーナツは初めてで。どうですか？甘いでしょ？甘いね。甘いでしょ？これはシュガーだから。シュガー。でしょ？これはお砂糖だから。ソタの大好きなお砂糖のあれだよ。
ね。
うん。はい。ちょっと違うでしょね。
ね。
うん。どうだったこれは。じゃあランキングはこれは。美味しいでしょ？ 4。はい。So, rank ni Sota, ranking ko ni Sota kong sa original ng original glaze ng Krispy Kreme is 4. Yes. Arigato Sota kong. So, let's go na sa akin, okay? Okay, so ito yung limited edition na gusto kong itry. So, itong iba na to is available to always. Okay, so let's try na ngayon. Ang ita-try ni Mama is this one, the Ososome Donuts. It's a limited edition.
何これなんかこれシール貼ってる。
読んでみな。So, this is the Komido Strawberry, milk. So, yes, strawberry milk. Yes, tadakimasu. Wow, sarap naman ito sa dakan. Dore. So, ano siya, yung donuts ng yes, yung dough niya, grabe yung lagkit, yes, yung dough niya. Pag kinain mo siya, talaga, malalaman mo talaga na expensive na donuts to siya. It's made of expensive na donuts. So, yes. And yung, ito na. Yun na, dumaloy na yung cream niya. Yung creamy niya sa loob. May creamy kasi siya. And grabe yung ang taste, ang lasa, ang tamis niya is very, lang talaga, sakto lang. Ichigo niya is parang gummy style. Yung gummy style na ichigo yung ginawa nila. Pero hindi siya ganon ka-hard. Lang, soft na parang gummy style. So yes, and meron ditong ichigo sa, tumoy niya, dito sa ibabaw, no? May ichigo. And very interesting talaga to na donuts from crispy creamy. So, yes. Sarap. Is 378 yen to siya. So, it's 378 yen. Yes. So, irarank ko to ng 4. Yes, gaya ni Sota kong 4 din ang rank niya sa original. So, ang rank ko is 4 nito dahil hindi ako masyado gusto ng gummy. So, hindi ako masyado kumakain ng gummy na, ganito, candy. So, yes, pero masarap siya, pag mahilig ka ng gummy sa donuts mo. And, yung creamy niya, gusto ko yung creamy niya, but hindi ko gusto masyado yung sa itaas na, strawberry nila. Okay, so, yes, let's go na sa next. Next na ito-try natin is ito. Yes, this is the spring lemonade daw. So, ang nito, ang nasa ibabaw nito is a lemon. Because it's lemonade, di ba? So, it's lemon. So, lemon to siya. Yes, lemon to siya. And may dito. Ano kaya to? Lemon siguro to. Lemon siguro to siya. So, try natin yung spring lemonade. So, susumi to siya dahil nga, spring na ngayon dito sa Japan, di ba? So, it is now, spring season. So, yes, very susumi to siya for the spring season here in Japan. Yes, the spring lemonade from Krispy Kreme, yes, donuts. So, let's go. And try natin to. Okay. And how much this one? This is 356. Yes, 356 yen to. It's takai. Yes, expensive nga. Okay, so yes. First bite and first taste nito. While kinain ko siya, is masarap talaga yung nila noon, yung dough ng Krispy Kreme, no? Ng dough nila, yung donuts nila, masarap talaga. Yes, very iba siya sa mga ibang donuts na brand. So iba siya. So masarap talaga kahit dough lang, donuts lang, wala nang mga sweets sa ibabaw niya. Na talaga. Very masarap. So, yes, ang review ko nito is sa mga mahilig ng mga lemonade. Mga lemon dyan, mahilig kayo nito, is very good to sa inyo. Hindi siya ganun ka-sugary, okay? Hindi siya ganun katamis talaga yung nasa itaas niya because there's a lemon, nandun ang taste ng lemon with the sugar. Yung ibabaw ng dough is, ito, may puti siya. So, this is siguro sugar to. Sugar, then the lemon, yung ng lemon sauce. So, siguro, yes. So, very siya recommended sa mga tao na mahilig na lemon na hindi masyado katamis na nandyan sa donuts nyo. Yes, and very masarap siya. For me, it is 4.5. Yes, gusto ko siya as in. Yes, gusto ko tong lemonade dahil for me, hindi siya masyadong matamis and mahilig ako sa lemon na flavor. Yes, mas gusto ko siya. Yes, and yan lang ang ating i-review for this video, yung dalawa lang na limited edition sa Krispy Kreme, yung osusumi nila, yung recommendation nila today for the spring season here in Japan. Yes guys, if pumunta kayo sa Shinjuku, this is the osusumi nila doon na donuts from Krispy Kreme. Okay, so nandun lang siya malapit sa Godzilla na yan. Okay, so nandyan lang siya sa tapat niya, yung store ng Krispy Kreme. So yes, ito yung susumi nila and I hope mag-try ka if pupunta ka doon or kahit saan ka dito sa Japan. Pag may Krispy Kreme dyan, mag-try ka ng mga nila, yung susumi nila, yung limited edition nila. And I think mawawala lang to pagkatapos ng spring season dito sa Japan. Okay, so ito yung kumi dough nila na strawberry milk and the lemonade, the spring lemonade. Okay, so I hope you try this one guys today before sila mawala. Okay, and yes, and of course for the Krispy Kreme donuts, yes, for the Krispy Kreme donuts. And I'd like to say na congrats dahil 20th anniversary nila this year, 2026 dito sa Japan. So yes, happy anniversary siguro. Hindi ko alam, but nakasulat kasi dito is 20 in Japan. So of course anniversary nila na 20th anniversary nila this year. So, thank you, Krispy Kreme. And, yes guys, minasang pag hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dyan, I hope mag-subscribe ka to this video. And, palike naman ang video natin today. And yes, huwag ka mawawala sa next na video. Nandito lang sila. Please naman, paklik naman dyan and i-watch mo dahil Kids sa Kids, makikita tayo doon. Huwag mo akong iwan. Kita tayo dyan. And please, mag-watch ka until the end. Yes, and thank you for that. And I will lovely see you in the next one.